since it is in transit, we have to determine which or who is the owner of the goods in transit. We can determine the owner of the goods in transit based on the freight terms. If the term is FOB destination, the owner of goods in transit is still the seller. And if the term is FOB shipping point, the owner of the goods in transit is buyer. So, based on the problem, FOB shipping point, the owner of the goods is still the buyer. The owner of the goods in transit is the buyer, which is Yome. So the goods in transit is already owned by Yome, and the goods were received on December 17, 2019. And costs incurred by Yome in connection with the purchase are normal freight charges, handling costs, insurance on shipment, and abnormal freight charges. Let's determine the cost of inventory or the amount of inventory. Okay, let's compute the cost of inventory. First, we have to determine the purchase price, and the goods were received on December 17, 2019. Since it is received December 2019, Yome already owned the goods. So the purchase price now is considered as part of inventory. Purchase price is $100,000. Okay. Let's proceed to the other costs incurred by Yome in connection with the purchase. Normal freight charges. Okay. Normal freight charges are part of cost of inventory. Normal freight charges, $3,000. Handling costs. Are handling costs part of inventory?